How to open Halifax Bank account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Korea Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar type in Halifax sign up. Then click onto the website that says open a bank account online. At this page, scroll all the way below and choose your account. For today's video, I'm selecting current account. Here, click on current account. Scroll further and read all these informations, and under new customer, click on apply now. Here are a list of the things that you will be needing before you start. Once you have read all these terms and conditions, click on continue. Now you will get redirected towards PCA onboarding. Under are you an existing Halifax customer, click on no. If you currently have an UK account, then click on yes. If you don't have it, click on no and scroll below and click on continue. Now fill out all these informations: your first name, middle name, last name, your gender, and your title. Enter your phone number with your current country code and your email address. At this box, enter your date of birth and your country of birth. Click on continue. And just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to create yourself an Halifax account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up and we will see you in our next upload.